Welcome to our video on the top 10 DevOps tools in 2024. These tools are essential for modern software development, ensuring seamless integration, delivery, and monitoring. Jenkins automates the part of software development related to building, testing, and deploying, making continuous integration and delivery. Kubernetes is essential for container orchestration, automating the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. Docker packages software into standardized units for development, shipment, and deployment, ensuring consistency across multiple platforms. Ansible simplifies configuration management, application deployment, and task automation, making your IT workflows efficient and error-free. Terraform enables infrastructure as code, allowing you to define and provision data center infrastructure, making management and scaling easier. Prometheus is a monitoring and alerting toolkit that helps you ensure system reliability with powerful queries and real-time alerts. Next.js provides comprehensive monitoring of systems, applications, and services, ensuring your infrastructure is always in check. GitLab is a complete DevOps platform that allows you to manage source code, run applications, enhancing collaboration and efficiency. Splunk provides powerful log management and analysis, helping you turn machine data into valuable insights for operational intelligence and security. AWS DevOps offers a suite of tools for automating software development and infrastructure management, integrating seamlessly with AWS services for efficient build, test, and deployment. These top 10 DevOps tools in 2024 are essential for modern software development and IT operations. Stay ahead by integrating these tools into your workflow. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more DevOps.